This is a 2024 Puma 29BHSQ, right? So what's awesome about this layout? This is something I've been wanting for a long time that Puma came out with basically about 6 months ago to a year ago. This is going to feature a slide out in your main living room, but also one in your main master bedroom, okay? So let's start on the outside. Puma is one of my favorite brands. I just think for fit and finish, the value for your money that you're getting, I think this is one of my top options that I like to suggest to customers, show customers. So we'll start on the outside. We've got a full, look how big that awning is. Almost the whole side of the coach. This unit's 36 foot 10 inches total length, right? So you've got almost your whole length there in an awning. Coming in weight wise, you're 8,400 pounds on your weight, on your dry weight there. Does have a nice outside kitchen. What's cool about their outside kitchen is it's got a griddle cooktop, sink. It is a wet sink, so fill that up, you can empty it out, and then all your utensils. Notice how they've done this in almost like an aluminum material, so it's not going to warp and rot over time from water getting on it. I really like that they're doing that as well. Little door that comes down. Does have your rear ladder, spare tire, outside shower back there as well. Let's jump on the inside here. Notice you've got tankless hot water heater, another big plus that they're doing. Let's come on in. See if you can get that door again, thank you. Okay, as we come in, we've got our theater seating. So we got theater seating here. Come in here, you've got your, it's a U-shaped dinette. They do the nicer blinds, right? So the roller shade blinds. Look how, I really like the combinations of the colors, right? So you've got white cabinets. They accent them with some little dark, so a very modern look. They do it with the grays. Look at the slide out. I talked about this on a different model earlier, but I really like that the manufacturers have gone to these hybrid carpets now. So it's not a shag carpet. It's very good for allergies, pets, kids. You can just sweep it right out, and it's going to hold up a lot longer as well. Coming down here, you're going to notice you've got a residential fridge, right? So that opens up. That's your top fridge, bottom freezer, right? Opens from both entries. So it's a dual entry, you can open it from both sides. One thing that I've noticed with these fridges is when you close them, be a little forceful, make sure that's latched, because sometimes they can get a little loose and then next thing you know, the whole door's coming off. So that's one thing that I've noticed with them. It does have cool blue lighting, backlighting for your different stove, or your burners and everything there. It does have a nice oven below. Stainless steel undermount sink. Does have a residential faucet with a pull-out sprayer. Nice. They've got the plastic still on it, but you can see it's like a wood cutting board with a stainless steel dryer. And then look at all your full square basin undermount sink there. Okay, let's look right here while we're here. TV, fireplace, sound bar. So you've got a nice entertainment center there. Pair up with your phone and everything. So I really like how they've done that. Let's move it towards the rear of the coach before we check. So again, this is a slide out for your theater seating and your dinette. As we come here, you're gonna see you've got, this is your bathroom. So you've got your toilet, your sink, your medicine cabinet, and then it's got a large square shower. They do a nice glass door for the shower. I like that because with the curtain and everything, if you got kids, you know what's gonna happen. They're going to have crap everywhere. They're going to have water all over the floor. So I like that they've done a door there. Let's go to the back here. So this is, I really like this layout, right? So you get a separate bunk room, right? You're not losing all your space in your living room because it's a smaller bunk room, but it's still a ton of space. They've laid this out where you can sit here, hang out here. You've got your a bunk here, bunk there. 2 cup holders that'll flip like that, and then you can lift up on here. It's a jackknife sofa, so that goes down to a bed too. So you got 4 places to sleep back here. I really like that they've done that. Gives the kids their own separate little room. You've got a place to put a television here, right? You can put it, it's already got a TV backer, so you can mount a TV. You got drawers on the bottom and then more storage up top. So plenty of storage for all the kids' clothes and everything else. Okay, let's go all the way up to the last spot we haven't looked at. And that's what I was telling you earlier. This is going to have a slide out for the bed. Makes a major, major, major difference for your mom and dad bedroom suite, right? So you've got a slide out, right? Slides out. Plenty of storage as far as walking space, get on both sides of the bed, right? That's one thing you hear the most people hate is having to climb over top of one another, not having any space in here to be able to get dressed, and you just feel really claustrophobic. My dad's claustrophobic. That's a big plus for him. So look at all that stuff. So now you've got all this space to get in here, right? They do a ton of deep, deep, deep storage all up here, all hanging. I mean, you can hang stuff in here. You could put racks in here for your shoes and everything. It's just got a ton of storage there. I really like that. Not only that, they made a washer and dryer closet. You can put a full stackable washer and dryer in here, right? So it's getting more and more popular. People are starting to live in these things full time. So now you can utilize that with a washer dryer. If you're not doing a washer and dryer, now you got more space, more storage. They throw some more storage down below here with your drawers, right? Full ball bearing drawer glides. They have a TV backer mounted up here, so you can mount your television right to the backer and then plug right in there. All your ACs, you've got 1, 2, and let me check on that. This may actually have 3 air conditioners. It does. So this actually has 3 ACs and an on-demand hot water heater. So you ain't gonna have a problem keeping yourself cool, or they have a bigger furnace too. So that's a big plus. Puma's, man, they've jam-packed a ton of stuff for your money in these units. So I highly recommend this model, especially if you're looking for more space in your bedroom and then still have the nice separate living room and bunk room for the kids as well.